welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode, I want to show you how I made my Chinese inspired kung pao chicken. And for that, we need some chicken, boneless chicken, thigh. I'm using thigh. You can use chicken breast cut into small pieces. We're gonna need some sriracha sauce, soya sauce, garlic, ginger, onion, cornstarch, sugar, some white vinegar, some cashew, lots of dry chilies, salt and pepper, and a bit of water to mix the cornstarch. If you have peanuts, just use peanuts for this recipe. I don't have peanuts, so I'm just gonna use cashew. And so to begin, I'm gonna add a little bit of water to my cornstarch, and then I'm gonna just mix it just with a spoon. To this chicken, I'm gonna add salt and pepper. Obviously, I still use pepper, and I'm gonna add salt. Don't add too much salt because we're all going to add soya sauce anyway, and that has salt because I'm using dark soya sauce. I'm just gonna add a little bit too much, about 1 teaspoon, and then I'm gonna use this same spoon and I'm just gonna mix it, grating the ginger and the garlic into my chicken, and then I'm gonna mix them, and then I'm gonna mix everything together and let the chicken marination sit for 10 minutes. I have a non-stick pan here. I'm using non-stick. You can use a wok. Little bit of vegetable oil heating. I'm gonna fry this cashew. I'm using about 2 tablespoons of cashew. If you don't like too much nuts, peanuts or cashew nuts, just 1 tablespoon would be enough. Nice and golden brown. Don't fry it too dark. Remove on a plate. Set this on the side. And to the same oil, we're gonna fry these chilies. Just for half a minute. Add the marinated chicken. Now, after you add the chicken, turn the heat over high heat. Now add the cornstarch that we have mixed earlier. White vinegar. A little bit more soya sauce. You can use light soya sauce. If you don't like the dark one, a little bit more sriracha sauce, optional. This is a spicy dish. You can use less spice, but we serve the spices here. Now give this a mix. And I'm also gonna add some sugar. You can make a sauce out of the sugar, white vinegar, soya sauce, and sriracha sauce, or you can just add it the same way I add mine. Now I would like to add my onion. This is optional. You can just skip the onion if you don't like it. And in this dish, I would prefer to use red onion because it just looks beautiful. Add just a little bit of water. Give it about 5 more minutes. Chinese inspired kung pao chicken is ready to serve with white rice, white plain rice, and that's it. This dish is so good as it is, just like that. And it is so spicy. I have already tasted. It is so spicy. I'm still like feeling the spice like going on around here in this kitchen, and this is how the chicken looks like. It is so quick to make because I have cut the chicken into small pieces, and it is super tender. You guys have to try this to know how good this is and how good your kitchen gonna smell. And if you love spicy food, then this is for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you next time. Check the written ingredient down below under the video in the description box, and I will see you next time. Bye.